Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Flames Fun Time. As you can see, I have a giant aquarium in front of me because today's lesson is sinks and floats. What make objects float is a thing called buoyancy, which means it's able to displace water, hence water in the aquarium. If it sinks, it means it's either really heavy or doesn't displace water very well at all. Let's try some items, shall we? Sharpie. Very small, very light, but also plastic. Do you think this will sink or float? Shout it out, guys! Great! Let's see what happens. It floats. That means it's light and can displace water. Let's try another item. Here we have a household spoon. Now this is small, but it's also made out of metal, which is a very, very heavy element. So, let's see what happens. It sank to the bottom, does not have buoyancy, or cannot displace water well. Let's try another. This is a Johnson & Johnson's baby oil. Now, it isn't plastic, which can displace water, but it also has liquid inside of it that might cause weight. Now, what do you think this will do? Will it sink or float? Let me know. Good guess. Let's see what happens. Floats! Because the plastic is very buoyant and very light. That means the water can hold it well. Let's try another item. A lock. This is a lock. Basically, you know what a lock is. Has a key. Made out of metal. Very heavy. You think it'll sink or float? Let's see what happens. Ooh, that went straight to the bottom. Glad I didn't break the glass. Anyway, so that sucked. Let's try another. Oh, the toothbrush. Mysterious. It's small and it's plastic, but do you think it'll sink or float? Let's see. Oh, it's sunk. Reason being, it doesn't have a lot of space to displace the water, so it can go right through it. Sink to the bottom. Let's try another. Sinks or floats? This, though, we call a variable. It depends if it does or does not have batteries. That one does not. So, it floats. But, this one does. Let's see what happens. We call that a half-seas. Obviously, it likes standing up. So, now that you guys learned about sinks or floats, be sure to check in next time for another Flames Fun Time. Brought to you by the letter A and the number 420.